Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you are prompted every time I post a new video. My returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Today we are making beetroot brown rice for the babies, so you might want to stick around and let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'll be using pre-cooked brown rice. Now, if you're using white rice, you do not have to pre-cook it. It's because brown rice takes a longer time to cook. That's why I cooked it. I also have here half of a medium sized of beetroot, which I have washed, peeled and chopped. I will also be using some garden peas and unsalted butter. To begin, you put a saucepan on fire and melt your butter. Now I'm using butter because I want my brown rice to have a glossy look when it's done cooking. Also, beetroot has enormous vitamins and minerals which are great for your child's development. And pediatricians advise that you give it to them when they turn 8 months. So I'll be adding that to the melted butter. My garden peas also go in next. And then I'm adding my brown rice. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you're using white rice, you can just put it in uncooked. Now stir everything in till all your ingredients are well combined. When all the ingredients are mixed properly, add water and then give it a quick stir. Then you cover to boil for 15 to 20 minutes or until your rice is tender. I will now check on my rice and it is done. So I just puree this for my 8-month-old. And we are experimenting with textures, so I didn't want this to be so smooth, but feel free to do this to the consistency you and your baby are comfortable with. So that's it for today's video. Trust me to bring you the toddler version of this recipe next week. So do make a date with me and don't miss it for anything. And like I always say, until we meet again, keep blooming.